Hi, my YouTube friends. Since it seems like we might be masking it up for a while, here are some cute and classy mask ideas. So let me know what you think.
All the mask accents were handmade and are great fashion. Here you see a beautiful black mask adorned with red and white ribbon, accented with rhinestones. This is a wonderful look for any day of the week, wearing your red, black, and white mask. Next, we have a white mask. The white mask is adorned with white and black satin ribbon, accented with rhinestones. Here we have a pink mask. This pink mask is adorned with brown with pink polka dot ribbon and pink ribbon, accented with rhinestones. This look is great for any pink and brown outfit. Here you have a white mask adorned with a yellow and green ribbon. Designed with white polka dots, these ribbons are made of cotton and adorned with rhinestones. Here you have a gray mask. The design on the mask is black satin and gray black trimmed cotton ribbon, accented with rhinestones. Here we're wearing a blue mask. This blue mask is adorned with gold ribbon, accented with satin blue ribbon and rhinestones. I must say, I'm a little partial to the blue mask. I think it looks amazing and you look lovely, beautiful in blue. Here we have a white cotton mask adorned with sponge decor and cute little rhinestones. This can be worn with any pink and white outfit. Yes, you'll be the talk of the town in this mask. Here we have a white mask that is adorned with rhinestones, accented with red lettering saying love life. And if you love life, life will love you, looking great in this mask. Here is a white mask adorned with gold ribbon, accented with rhinestones. A black mask adorned with satin white ribbon and satin black ribbon, accented with rhinestones. Yes, you'll be the talk of the town in this mask, working that black and white. Now we're going with a more fun look. Here we have a mask that is adorned with a smile using Puffy Paint and Acrylic Paint. Isn't it cute? And we have one more, pink on pink. We have a pink mask accented with a satin ribbon adorned with rhinestones. Absolutely cute. Pink on pink. You're the talk of the town, pretty in pink. Beautiful in pink. That's true. Well, here is our mask collection. We hope you enjoy and leave your comments.
So there you have it, everyone. Let's just be fashionably masked.